Two nonprofits who work together to find the missing crewmen of the Seacor Power met in court today, opposed. News 10's Nils Zarang has the exclusive report from just outside the Iberia Parish Courthouse.
Gulf Coast humanitarian efforts in the United Cajun Navy are arguing over an alleged $400,000 collected by the United Cajun Navy for the search of the Seacor Power victims. Before they could get into that, a judge had to rule on two motions against the petition in a preliminary hearing.
She took her time, she listened to the arguments, she considered the law, she looked at the pleadings on her own, and I think she did her best to make the appropriate rulings, which I think she did today.
Judge Suzanne DeMahi ruled in favor of the United Cajun Navy's argument that there was no cause of action in the plaintiff's 7-page petition. Her reasoning relied on the defense's argument that Christopher Derwa and Gulf Coast humanitarian efforts alleged a verbal agreement for a donation of remaining funds in the Seacor Power search.
Even if what he said is true, we're not even going to get into whether or not it is true. Let's just assume it's true. The law doesn't give him a remedy for that.
Defense attorney Greg Akers successfully argued by law that a promised donation must be fulfilled or have written contracts like a check or a car title for a lawsuit. The plaintiffs don't see what they're asking for as a donation, though.
It was pretty upsetting to know that it tried to be misconstrued that Christopher was taking a donation, if you will, for himself. That's not the case at all.
Scott Daspit is the father of Seacor Power victim Dylan Daspit and the president of Gulf Coast Humanitarian Efforts, which he says was formed immediately after the United Cajun Navy offered to transfer the money they collected to another entity which would finish the search and donate what was left to families. Daspit took the stand for the first time after the Seacor Power tragedy and says neither transparency nor the transfer has been given.
That's what the meat and potatoes about this is. Where did the $400,000 go? We want that money that was given by heart-loving people to finish this, and we want it to go to the families, whatever's left.
Although the judge granted no cause for actions, he is allowing the other side to amend their petition and clarify their claims within the next 30 days.
It's a bump in a path, and we'll get past it.
The plaintiff attorney you just heard there, Gabe Duyon, told me that Scott Daspit and Gulf Coast Humanitarian Efforts will formally join the suit against United Cajun Navy when it is amended. If that amended suit is not submitted within the next 30 days, the entire case could be dropped. Reporting in New Iberia, Nils Zarang, KLFY News 10.